First open Start and type WS Reset. Click on WS Reset. Wait for the Windows Store to be repaired. Close the store and restart. First open Start and then type PowerShell. Right-click PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Copy the text that you'll find in the description of this video. Right-click the white frame. Select Edit and then Paste. Press Enter. Type, Exit and then press Enter. Now restart. First open Start. Click on Settings. Click on Apps. Go to Apps and Features. Locate the Microsoft Store. Click on it and select Advanced Options. Locate Reset. Click on Reset. Press Reset again. Wait for the Windows Store to reset. Open the Windows Store. Now your problem should be fixed. First open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop-wowserve and then press Enter. Type netstop-crypt svc and then press Enter. Type netstop-bits and then press Enter. Type netstop-msi server and then press Enter. Type renc/windows/software distribution.old and then press Enter. Type ren c/windows/system32/catroot2 and then press enter. Type net start wowserve and then press enter. Type net start crypt svc and then press enter. Type net start bits and then press enter. Type net start msi server and then press enter. Type exit and then press enter. Now open Start and type PowerShell. Right-click PowerShell and select Run as administrator. Press Yes. Type wuauclt.x/update now and then press enter. Type exit and then press enter. Now restart. Windows update should be repaired. First open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as administrator. Press Yes. Type scconfig wowserve start equals auto and then press enter. Type scconfig bits start equals auto and then press enter. Type scconfig crypt svc start equals auto and then press enter. Type scconfig trusted installer start equals auto and then press enter. Type exit and then press enter. Restart. Open Start and type Recovery Options. Open Recovery Options. Go to Advanced Startup and click on Restart Now. Open Advanced Options again. Press System Restore. Select your account. Select your keyboard layout. Press Next. Select your latest restore point. Press Next. Press Finish. Press Yes. Now wait for your PC to be restored. Press Restart. Now your PC should be restored.